seeing that as the week started, that the bourse has been dropping points, and yesterday it was down, like I said, 1.21%. What's the scene like on the bourse today?
Well, unfortunately, this has continued even on today, even though it dropped a bit marginally today. The all-share index closed at 22,099.58 points, which is not up to a 1% drop from yesterday. But overall, the activity in the market was a bit low, like yesterday too, and on Monday too. There were 39 losers, 26 gainers, and 63 stocks remaining unchanged. In the top gainers category, we had stocks like Chams, Vitafoam, and Beggar Paints, which gained 5%, 4.9%, and 4.89% respectively. However, in the top losers category, we also had Eternal Oil, UAC Properties, which lost 5%, just lost the maximum 5%.
All right. Damilola, why was the activity on the market so low?
Aside the profit takers that are doing that, I think that the liquidity we expected to actually influence the market coming from last week didn't really influence the market as we expected it to do. Right now, I think the market is suffering from a lack of liquidity, which is why the activity is low. Investor confidence seems to is not so high at the same time. So, a combination of all these factors have actually dampened the stock exchange.
Well, let's take a look at the broader economy of Nigeria. According to the CBN Governor, Damilola Runsewe, the Nigerian economy is remaining resilient and the near to medium term outlook is rather positive. What is your take on that?
Well, the government can't plan right now because look, from the oil prices, which have stabilized around just under $80 a barrel. We also look at the Niger Delta crisis. We had we had good news coming from MEND, which specified that they are going to increase the ceasefire, the time of the ceasefire. So we are seeing a position which government can actually plan based on this. The 2009 budget is based on production capacity of 2.3 million barrels per day.
Damilola, it's not the first time that MEND has come to the negotiating table. As we know, as it stands, oil output has been low. We're seeing a scenario where the banking sector is undergoing tremendous changes. And in spite of all of that, the CBN governor is saying that the outlook remains positive. Would you agree on those bases?
Yes, I do agree on those bases, because one thing, even though MEND has come over and over again saying that they're going to cease the fire and the hostilities continue, but we've seen roughly 2 months without any kind of hostility. We've seen oil production go up to just under 2 million barrels, which is close to the 2.3 million barrels per day budget benchmark from the government. We've seen oil prices stabilize. I think yes, it is a positive outlook for Nigeria and the economy in a whole. So I think the government can plan, businesses can plan based on this, and overall we will see, going to the last quarter of the year, we will see a lot of improvement in terms of economic growth in Nigeria.